All right, 13.2, define general angles and use radian measure. All right, so our first problems, they give us, it's actually like matching questions, so we're just going to do all of them together. So I'm going to give you, so it'll be problem 3 is negative 240 degrees, 4 is 600 degrees, and 5 is negative 9 pi over 4. And then, let's see, option A.
That's gross.
All right, and then
What? Oh yeah, now I remember. Whoa, this is so cool. You start from there, you go there, and then it hits there.
all right. So that's what would have been given to you in the book. So I'm going to give you a second to make sure you have all that.
Why did that one go up? Because it wants to? Oh yeah, you're right, I remember now.
All right, what do we know about the degrees of a circle?
There's like 360 of them inside of there.
There's 360 degrees in a circle. So obviously we were using triangles the other day, which have how many degrees?
180.
180. So a circle has 360 degrees. I may regret not teaching you the unit circle before we do this, but I think we'll be okay.
The unit
Yeah, the thing that has 66 things on it that you have to memorize.
Yeah, no, we can skip that.
Oh, well, no, you're going to learn it. I just may regret not doing it before we start this section, but I think it'll be fine. I don't normally do it this early. Huh?
Oh, is it like, so actually, what's a degree? Is
Here's
it
a
unit
not a
of
lot of
measurement?
degrees,
Yeah.
and then that's
It's
like how
basically
hot
just
you-
like,
How long is a degree?
No, it's how hot.
No, it's not a longness.
She
it's
said
a-
it was a unit of measurement.
But it's a big.
but it's like a different kind of measurement.
It's how hot you
Like
are.
being
Like a
fat is
degree
how
would be
long.
like that. Like it's like,
The distance between two lines going like that.
Oh, I thought it was how hot you are.
Like if I'm 600 pounds, it doesn't like you. It doesn't change anything about length or distance or anything. It's like it's a different kind of measurement.
but the other thing that we have aside from degrees are radians, which we briefly mentioned when we were looking at our calculator because it makes a difference of what mode we have to be in when we're doing trig functions. So number 3 and number 4 here are in degrees. Okay, if it's
Yeah.
degrees, you got to have the degree symbol on it. Now with radians, they don't often write the word radian or RAD for radians if there is a pi symbol in it. A pi symbol in it indicates to you that it is in radians. We don't need calculators. So there are 360 degrees in a circle. There are also 2 pi radians. Okay, half of a circle is pi. The full circle is 2 pi. So we're going to see how far we get before I decide that I'm going to stop and we're going to learn the unit circle, but we're just going to go with this for now. All right, so when we're doing things with angles, okay, we always start here, okay, on the, what would be your x-axis, and we always go around this way, okay, counterclockwise, okay? So if the angle is positive, it will be going this way. Okay, which one is the only angle that's positive?
C.
C. And what about as far as the numbers go?
4.
Yes, number 4, which is 600 degrees. So number 4 has to be letter C.
Yes, absolutely.
That's what I got.
That's what
Okay,
I got.
so basically 360 degrees we went around one full time. And then I can keep counting 90 more degrees, 90 more degrees, and then whatever, this is probably about 60, I'm guessing. I don't know. I have to actually do the maths figured out. But approximately it's hitting somewhere down in here, okay? And so we would just keep counting until we get to where we need to be. Every quadrant is 90 degrees, okay? So this is 90, 180, 270, 360. Okay.
Yes.
Now, if it's going opposite like this, that means that my angle is negative. Okay, which I have two things that are negative. Okay, number 3 and number 5 are both negative, right?
Yes.
But one of these goes around a partial time and another one goes around more than once. Okay, so we have 360 degrees or negative 360 degrees. So if I have one that only goes around a partial time, which one do you think that is?
B.
Okay, yes. Which number?
5.
3 is.
No, because it's negative 240. So
Less than 360.
3.
Yes, number 3. This is B. All right, now this last one. We know that 2 pi is all the way around. Okay? So if I want something with a common denominator, okay, if I want 2 pi to have a common denominator of 4, then I can rewrite that as 8 pi over 4. Okay? So this tells me this is around more than one full time. Okay? Again, once we learn the unit circle, this will probably make a lot more sense. But we're going to try to do a few of these before we do the unit circle. So this went around one full time, and then it went a little bit farther, and obviously y'all don't know what the increments are yet. But at this point, we've gone around a little bit more than that. So 5 is A.
So, is this what archaeologists use to look at seashells?
What?
Seashells?
To like measure seashells? Because like seashells go out have that weird spiral thing in them.
Why do you have to measure how many degrees?
That's
the
actually
seashell is?
Fibonacci sequence, but
Well, because like
the
what's
golden
like-
ratio,
It's like
but-
a type of noodle.
yes.
Why are we
Wait, how do you
about
know that?
circles and chicken
Fettuccine?
Because
Yeah,
Shepherd
how'd you
wants
know
to
there's
be
a
a
type of noodle?
seashell sign.
Because
I don't
Because
know.
like you know on
To
a
get the
tree, you have
circles,
this-
it's a
the
bunch of
rings and how old
triangles.
they are. I bet they use this to find out how old the seashell is.
Yeah.
No, it's
Or like a
to-
snail.
And when we're done with trig, we get to watch a movie. So
It's to-
Yay!
It's to figure out how big.
Oh, I can't wait.
I can't wait to watch
A movie
What
about
movie?
math.
That's gonna be
Alright.
the best part.
we're gonna pause right here because I need to do the unit circle because I just can't teach the rest.